It's about time for the movie to roll. You'll get a bird's eye view of the largest river swamp in North America, the Atchafalaya.
See y'all later. Bye-bye.
Safe travel.
Thank you. I am sweating so bad, and I love it. Because it means I'm in the van. It's summertime, it's time to go. It's time to get to higher elevation, and so it's time to go out west. Okay, first grocery run of the van trip. Eating some jambalaya to make room in this very full and Jenga stacked refrigerator. I am a happy camper. Even got stuff in the freezer.
Well, you eat your lunch, enjoy it, and then take a little rest.
Alrighty. Loaded up on groceries, made all the necessary returns I had to do. Last couple of them here in town. At this point, I am leaving the New Orleans metro area. Heading west. To the Atchafalaya Welcome Center in their RV parking lot. As you can see, they've got RV bus parking. All the RVers. Yours truly. You can see how it flows. Basically 70% of the Mississippi River's water will flow through its normal route and through New Orleans and out to the Gulf, while 30% is funneled through the Atchafalaya.
I remember when I first I was amazed by what I heard.
This is definitely the best rest stop I've ever been to.
Enjoy festive activities. An owl. This was supposed to be a 2-hour feature. So, for the next 4 minutes, you're going into the swamp.
So they just had a sign that said no trespassing, but it also says this is the way. So, I'm still driving down Indian Bayou Road. This is the first time I've ever taken this van down a gravel road. Not quite full-on off-roading, but this thing's not four-wheel drive. Some of these bumps, oh, all my handiwork behind me, just getting shaken really hard. All right, Oxbow parking. I think this is it. Ooh, buddy. Okay. to the Oxbow Lake along the Atchafalaya. Now what I'm on right now is Army Corps of Engineer land. One thing Louisiana has is all its greenery. Louisiana is exceptionally wet. Right now I'm in the Atchafalaya River Basin. So it's really like a subtropical, yeah, it's extremely lush. And you can hear the birds, and you can see how thick the foliage is. So this is the Oxbow. It's beautiful. For me, this is normal. For any of you watching that aren't from Louisiana or from any of those places, then yeah, they have alligators. It's interesting. It's just me out here. Me and the birds and the bugs. Still driving on dirt roads to get out of Army Corps land before I sign up for the night. I'm gonna try to shoot the sunset at the boat landing. First night in the van was kind of a success. I was comfortable, but I felt like I woke up like every 3 hours. And I don't know if that's just because new environment. I don't know. But anyway, I slept here.